Hey, what's up? It's Jackeal, your guide to living with Apple every day. And the question you're asking is, how come the new cleanup tool, the new cleanup feature on your iPhone doesn't work and you can't find it anywhere in photos, even though everyone's talking about it? Here are the three main reasons why, according to Apple. The requirement one is that you need an iPhone 15 or newer, and it has to be an iPhone 15 Pro. So iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max. Yes, they could have probably enabled it on other devices, but I'm giving them the benefit of the doubt that it has to do with the chips and not just because they want you to upgrade and make them more money. Reason number two, you need to update your iOS to 18.1 at least. Anything older than 18.1 does not have the new cleanup tool on your iPhone. And reason number three, you might be in the EU or China. So if you're in America, it should work if all three of these conditions are met. However, if it doesn't work, like you've tried updating to iOS 18.1, you have an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, and you still can't see it, you're probably in the EU or China. Also, check out my cool new clear MagSafe cases with inspirational quotes inside the MagSafe ring. I designed them myself. It's on my Printify website right here. I'm going to include the card up top, and also I'm going to include the link in the description below. They're half the price of Apple's clear MagSafe cases because I wanted inspiration to be affordable, okay? And they have inspirational quotes on them to remind you to live your best life every single day, to go out there and get it done, to achieve your dreams, to do everything you possibly can in this bountiful, limitless universe, this gift of life that you've been given. If you got values from this video, subscribe for more Apple content. Peace.